Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this Nightwing look on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to be removing everything. I did do adjustments on the hair, so I'm not going to remove that, but the rest I will remove. For the hair I use this in black, and then these two in black as well. I basically just layered every hair there is. And then for this one, I just made a little bit of adjustments, position the Z to 0.51, rotated the X to 0.47, and scale it to 0.42. For the outfit, I did use VIP. I used this from the chest. I colored it this color. And then I used this as well, and this blue, 2A667D, and then the rest in like, I don't remember what gray I used. I just used all of these ones. And then this, I also colored it this color. And then the underplating, I did the same blue again. And then, I also used this. And then for the highlights, I colored it the same blue. And then I use these gloves here because these are the only gloves that work. I colored it black in metallic, well, like this gray. Then for the outfit, I used this turtleneck here in this color, I think, in foil, and then did the same for the neck as well. And then I used these boots in metallic and like black here. And then I used these pants in that color in foil. And I also used this bat here. I know it's not the same, but this is the only thing I have in black and I think metallic or silk. I don't know. And then I use blue for the like handle. I don't know what it's called. But that's it. If you want to have the same custom makeup as me, I used 161 for the eyes. I didn't use any eyebrows. 161 is from the feminine custom makeup one. And then here I just used these. I already have a tutorial on that. For the nose, I used the 244 in the masculine section. For the lips, I used 149 in the mask section. And I forgot to change the contour. There we go. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!